Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to take you through our Grand Designs live exhibition. We do this once a year. We'll show you the process, what we do, and how we go about our business. We're probably going to meet a lot more end users than installers, so hopefully we'll meet a lot of people. Just waiting for George actually to get ready and finish loading the van. Yeah, so we're going to hit the road in a second, and we'll see you when we're there. Right, we're here at Grand Designs, so we're going to go get set up. Let's go do that. Alright, so we've just got here and we're going to look for our stand before we start unloading the truck.
1, 2, 3, 4. So is this the lighter end?
No, that's the heavy end.
Right, so you want me to lower it off?
Yeah.
You've got this.
1, 2, 3.
This is going to sound crazy.
Yeah.
But it might be easier to carry it through the door and then put it on a wheelie.
Got our passes ready. Okay, so me and George are all set up now. We are on stand, what stand are we on? B643. Obviously it won't really matter now because this video will be going out in like a week anyway, so you won't be coming. Yeah, so we're all set up and ready to go. Hopefully a few more people will come now. The gate's just opened, so we'll go from there.
Again, one thing that makes heat pumps more efficient is they don't produce instant energy, but they produce it slowly, gradually, and then store it. I have space for probably 4 50-metre trenches. So metre deep, metre wide, 50 long, 2-metre gap, and another 3 of them. So if that sounds feasible, so fridge technology, it's just a compressor that does that all day, every day. But as long as it just keeps doing that, it's happy. The only thing that makes it unhappy is the stopping and starting.
Are we talking 20 grand-ish? Are we talking more?
For that size house, I'm thinking you need an 11 kilowatt system, in which case you're looking probably £15,000 at our end, plus your installation works on top of that. So that'll be how much you charge yourself for the digging, plumbing and electrical work. So the mechanical side, it's got to be at least £5,000, something like that.
Air source heat pumps, hopefully one for each barn, is that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so just based on that sort of size, so they're internals are 4,000 square foot. So
Yeah. Okay.
and I suppose the important thing for us as well is like the visuals on. So these are the side elevations, obviously.
Yeah.
So probably go.
Yeah, heat pump here, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we can certainly look to provide you with a bespoke design for each barn. Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so me and George are done at Grand Designs for the day. How did you find it?
Yeah, it's good. A lot of people speak to. Trying out now.
How many leads do you think we got?
I reckon 50 to 60 electronic, and then we've handed out 100, 150 brochures.
And of the salesmen, who is your bet for who got the most?
Tom, solely because he's probably remembered to input them electronic.
Alright, we'll see. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. So we're all done at the show now. We've been there for 5 days, met a lot of people there. Very successful time actually, and for my first event it was very busy. As you can see, I'm in the truck now. We got to get this back up to Carterton and everything packed up and ready to go. We got to get the heat pump back on, get everything loaded and back to the office, and then we're going to be catching up with all the leads that we spoke to over the week. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to try and get a video out pretty regularly, so yeah, we'd appreciate your support on this one, and yeah, we'll see you soon.